What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode here on All Things Bearded. In today's episode, we're talking about Barbu Beard Company. We have two scent profiles to go over. In the beard oil, we have their latest scent, which is the Ronin, and I also have the Grower, which I believe is part of their main lineup. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you are a regular, thanks for stopping by again. With all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and dive into the review. So let's go ahead and talk about the beard oils, you guys. Now the Ronin comes in a 1 ounce clear bottle with a dropper top on top of it, while the Grower comes in a 1 ounce amber bottle with the dropper top on top of it. Now both of the labels will have the Carrot Oil blend broke down on one side with the scent profile broke down on the other side. I am a huge advocate for having that scent profile on the labels, so that is fantastic. And also both of these labels are waterproof and oil proof, so that is also a great feature for these labels to have. Now the Carrot Oil blend is pretty much identical on both of these beard oils, except for the Ronin has castor oil and moringa oil. Now moringa oil is just gonna help really penetrate to the skin, get the nutrients to your skin and your hair. That is a fantastic attribute to have. So it is $1 more. The Ronin will run $19, while the Grower will run $18. And before I forget, we also do have a promo code that you can use. ATB11 will save you 11% off of your order from Barbu Beard Company. It is in no way, shape, or form a kickback to me. It is only for you guys to use, so enjoy it. I know a lot of people love Barbu, and the last time I did review them, I had a limited promo code that you could use. I think it was for like 24 hours, and I will card that episode that we did for 3 other scents in this video as well, probably up top right about now. So the first scent I have to go over, you guys, is the Ronin. Now this is the latest scent from Barbu. I do love all these Japanese details that are hidden within the label. I think it looks fantastic and really does add character to this label. Now you can also tell this beard oil does have a red tint in the bottle. That was intriguing as well. I haven't seen that before, so if you have seen anybody with a red tinted beard oil before, let me know in the comment section below, at least in the bottle, because when I have used this through the dropper, it comes out yellow with a yellow tint. So I don't know if I'm gonna get red when I get further down into the bottle. I'm not sure how this is really working, and maybe it's magic, I have no idea. But this is really the hardest scent that I've had to really convey to you guys, but it has hinoki, bamboo, and cherry in it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and smell it. We'll see what I can pull out for you guys. But when I do smell this scent, the first scent that really does pop out, I guess, is the hinoki. It has a woody pine lemon type scent, but it's very calming, very relaxing, very zenful, I guess is a great way to describe it. The cherry is really on the back end, but it's not really heavy. I think it just adds more of a complexity to this scent, but it's fantastic if you're into that calming, relaxing scent profile. I think you really would enjoy this scent. I personally love it. I wore it today, actually. I put it in at 7 o'clock. This morning it is 8:44, and right before I started filming, I could still smell it in my beard, so you can take that for what it's worth, but it's a great scent in my personal opinion. And like I said, if you're into calming scents, definitely look into the Ronin. So the other scent I have to go over, you guys, is called the Grower. Now this is a scent profile of lemongrass, peppermint, and tea tree. That's what I'm talking about. I'm a fan of all 3 of these scents, so having them all together in a beard oil, I was excited to pick this one up. When I smell this scent, I definitely get the peppermint up front. I get a little bit of lemongrass, but I mostly get tea tree on the back end. So if you are a fan of the peppermint, the invigoration, the menthol goodness that peppermint really does bring out, I highly suggest you guys check this scent out. I really do wish lemongrass was a little bit stronger within this scent profile, but everybody smells differently, so I do know that some people might pick that up a little bit more than I do, but it's not a bad scent. And if you're into those 3 scent profiles, I really do think you should check this scent out. So overall with Barbu, both of these scents were really enjoyable for me. I did prefer the Ronin over the Grower, but that's just because the Grower, I wish it had a little bit more lemongrass in it. It's not a deal breaker, but that's just me personally. I do suggest that you guys go check them out on their website, see what all they have to offer. They might have some more scents that you might personally want to check out. The feel and beard is always fantastic with Barbu. The absorption rate is fantastic. Leaves your beard feeling soft. I love this company. So definitely go check them out on their website, see what all they have to offer. I'll see you in the next video, and as always, stay safe and stay bearded.